Depending on the length of your wall, how long the run is and where your access to supply water is, if you're going to add irrigation, you might not be able to run 1/4-inch drip line for the whole course. Drip line generally on the packaging it will say it's only good for runs of 15 feet, and then you could have inconsistent watering coming out of the emitters. So in that case, you're either going to want to add another supply line to carry it further down, or you're going to want to use 1/2-inch or 17 millimeter irrigation line with emitters built in. So it looks very similar to the 1/2-inch supply line that doesn't have emitters. You're going to use connectors to connect into the 1/2-inch, and you can get 1/2-inch with emitters built in at varieties of flow rates and variety of spacing. Typical spacing is 12 inches, 18-inch center-on-center spacing for emitters is pretty common. Same method for laying it into the wall. You're going to either lay it in the bottom of the trough and backfill over it, or you're going to fill the trough and lay it on top before you set the next course of blocks. But you want to put it basically in the center of the trough so that it waters evenly, and you're going to want to put it in as you build the wall. And maybe you decide you don't want to use the drip irrigation, or you don't need to use it all year long. The fact that it's in there gives you an insurance policy to make sure that you can always keep your wall vibrant and healthy per your plans and intentions, no matter what the climate conditions.